Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Yogesh Jojare welcomes you to Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapit Pune. Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapit Pune is popular among students for their quality education, and to continue this legacy, Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapit Pune has planned to start one certificate program into the hospital management. So that is nothing but that is a certificate course in hospital and healthcare management. So this is a 6 months program which will enable the students to acquire the knowledge related to the hospital administration. My dear friends, as we know that there are a lot of problems in running one hospital. We know that in a country like India, the hospitals, they are facing the problems like overcrowding of the patients, as well as many of the services which has to be provided to the patients are not being provided in that much quality, and the personal care is not being provided to the patients, and so because of that the health of the people that is getting deranged every day. So to increase the quality of the healthcare services, to deliver the personal care to the patients, this particular certificate course in hospital administration, that will definitely help to the people who are already working into the field of the hospital administration. It will again increase the quality of care into the hospitals. So I will just brief you about this particular certificate program and how this will be implemented, how it will be delivered to the student, and who are eligible to do this particular program. That thing we will be going to discuss within this particular session. So who exactly are people who are eligible for this particular program? So the people who are working already into the hospitals and those who are graduates in any discipline from a recognized university, they can do this particular 6-month certificate program. Now those who are already working into the field of hospitals, those who are working into the healthcare sectors, like those who are already working into the insurance sectors also, so these people, they are eligible to do this particular certificate program. This particular program is most beneficial for these people to increase their knowledge related to the administration into the hospitals, as well as related to the legal issues of the hospital. So this is exactly the people those who are eligible to do this particular certificate program. Then what is exactly is the duration of this course? So 6 months is the duration of this certificate course, and this particular certificate course will be delivered to the online learning mode. Now what is exactly is the online learning mode? So the Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapit Pune is starting this certificate course in hospital and healthcare management into the online learning mode. So what is this online learning mode? There is one learning management system that has been developed to deliver the knowledge, the requisite skills to deliver to the student. So what exactly the way you can acquire the knowledge? So with the help of that learning management system, you can acquire the knowledge related to the hospital administration. So this learning management system includes the notes related to the student, related to that particular topic. Even the student at their end, they can learn this particular course at their end with the help of online learning mode. So student will have an access to the one learning management system. That learning management system will deliver the video lectures, even the lectures, the pedagogy that includes that includes the video lectures, the virtual classrooms, that also will be conducted for delivering the sessions onto the hospital administration, the sessions onto the healthcare management. So these sessions, they will be conducted with the help of e-content, with the help of PowerPoint presentations, with the help of virtual classrooms, that will be delivered to the student. Student at their end, they should have to read this particular material through the learning management system into the e-content, as well as they have to listen the video lectures at their end. So one link will be provided, and that link will be going to give an access to the student for this learning management system. And in that particular LMS, these all videos, these all lectures that will be uploaded, and even the live streaming will be also be there for some lectures. Even this is a synchronized way of teaching. So even the students, they will be able to ask the questions also if they have some doubts. So that sort of discussions will be conducted within this learning management system. So student will have and feel of a original classrooms, that though they are not coming to the institute, they will have and feel of a one virtual class at their end. So that will be a facility to the student which will enable them to acquire the knowledge. So we have just learned what exactly is the duration, who are eligible, as well as what exactly the way you can deliver this particular course. Now I will just likely to brief what exactly were the objectives behind designing this particular certificate course into the hospital administration. So the main objectives that included to develop the young professional managers in the field of hospital administration, as well as to increase the quality of healthcare services for giving it to the patient, and to provide a personal care to each and every patient. This particular certificate, knowledge of this certificate course in hospital and healthcare management will enable the managers to deliver the proper healthcare services at their end into the hospitals. So each and every department will be specialized when you are going to acquire and implement the knowledge of the hospital administration, the knowledge related to the various services like the ancillary hospital services, like the indoor and outdoor hospital services, as well as if you the manager after doing this particular course, the manager will have a knowledge related to the legal issues of the hospital administration. Now which are the subjects that are being designed for this hospital administration course? The main subjects that include hospital administration, the next one that includes the marketing of healthcare services, legal aspects in hospital administration, the other subjects that include the quality of healthcare services, quality of the healthcare services. So these are the subjects, some of the subjects which are included into the syllabus of this certificate course into the hospital administration. The other subject that is also included, that is indoor and outdoor hospital services. So these are the subjects which will enable the students who will be going to take an admission for this online certificate course to acquire the knowledge related to the management of the various services of the hospitals. Definitely the outcome that will be seen with the help of young professional managers who will have an skills related to the administration of the hospitals. With the help of this certificate course, you will be able to manage the hospital services in a proper order into the hospitals, which will increase the hygienic practices into the hospital. So with the help of this knowledge of indoor outdoor hospital services, the manager, they will be able to increase the quality of healthcare delivery, and they will be able to deliver the hygienic services to the patient. So that will be the one thing. Even the subject like legal aspects into the hospital and healthcare management, that will enable the manager of the hospital to know what are the legal issues, and and with the help of and what exactly the legislations under which the one hospital has to run. So that is the benefit that will be there for that manager, and it will likely to remove the medical negligence in the field of hospital and in the field of hospital services. So definitely it will increase the quality of healthcare services. Nowadays every hospital has to, because there is a lot of saturation of the hospital, every hospital has to do some marketing. So these marketing skills will be acquired with the help of subject of marketing of healthcare services. So these are exactly the outcomes that will be acquired with the help of this certificate program. So this is a 6-month duration program which will be delivered with the help of learning management system, and it includes the subjects that I had just discussed with you. So so this is exactly the knowledge that will be acquired with the help of learning management system. It is this particular subject is of 20 credit, and each subject is having and the 5 subjects that has been included into this particular certificate course. So this is how the delivery of the subjects that will be done, and these are the this is the 6 months program. Every graduates, they are eligible to take the admissions, and it will be delivered with the learning management system. So these are the subjects which will give the detailed knowledge of the hospital and healthcare management to the students who will take an admission to this certificate course into the hospital and healthcare management. Now if you look towards the opportunities which are there for the participants who will be going to do this certificate course, they will have various opportunities in the field of hospital administration. They can work as a hospital administrator, they can work as a physician relation license, even they can work into the healthcare industries, which includes the health insurance sectors. So there they can work into the TPA. So lot of job opportunities are there for the persons who will be going to do the certificate course into the hospital administration. Even the lot of opportunities are there into the Gulf country to run the hospital services. There is a brighter scope for the nursing students to do this certificate course, and those who are already working into the field of hospital administration, they can do this certificate course, and it will give the brighter opportunity to the student. So these are the various opportunities which are created for the students. Those who will do this certificate course, they will, even the doctors who will be going to do this certificate course, they will have an hand-on into the skills for running an hospital, and they will be masters into the hospital administration, as well as they they will be able to do the marketing of their hospitals with their own. So these are the exact skills they will be acquired, and the opportunities that has been created for the students. Even the person they can who will be going to do certificate course, they can be promoted to the post of medical superintendent. Even they can be promoted, as I say, they can be promoted into the quality care sectors of the healthcare industry. So these are the various opportunities which are there for the students after doing the certificate course, and this healthcare industry is definitely increasing at a 20% rate for annually, and definitely creating a lot of jobs in this sector. So this is the new sector, and this is the new area where people will have a lot of employment opportunity after doing the certificate course. So thank you.